हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं केमिस्ट्री का टॉपिक, दैट इज़ द आइडियल गैस एंड इट्स लॉज। इसके बेस पे हम अभी कुछ क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे, एमसीक्यूज। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज, व्हाट इज एन आइडियल गैस? ऑप्शन ए, which obeys PB is equal to nRT. Option B, which obeys P is equal to VR upon T. Option C, which obeys PV is equal to R upon T. And option D is none of above. Which is a correct answer? The option A is the correct answer. That is, which obey PV is equal to nRT. Next question is, question number 2, the perfect example of the ideal gas is option A, air, option B, hydrogen, option C, water vapor, option D, none of above. Which is the correct option here? The correct option is C. That is the water vapor. This is the correct option. Okay, now the next question. Yes, the question number 3 is, in which condition can real gas obey closely the ideal gas equation? Option A, pressure is very small and the temperature is very high. Option B, pressure is very high and the temperature is very low. Option C, both pressure and temperature are very high. Option C, both pressure and temperature are very low. Sorry. Sorry. So, which is the correct option here? The option A is the correct option. That is, the pressure is very small and the temperature is very high. Now the next question is, question number 4 is, in high pressure condition the real gas conform more closely with A, van der Waals equation, B, ideal gas equation, C, both A and B, and D is the none of above. This is D here. So which is the correct option? The correct option is van der Waals equation. So now the question number 5 is, what is reduced property of a substance? What is reduced property of substance? Option A, critical property of a substance minus existing property of the same substance. Option B, existing property of a substance minus critical property of the same substance. Option C, ratio of the critical property. Wait. Yes, अब ये करेक्ट है. Ratio of the critical property to existing property of the same substance, and D is the ratio of the existing property to the critical property of the same substance. आप पॉज करके दोबारा से चेक कर सकते हैं. अगेन यू कैन रीड इट प्रॉपरली. विच इज द करेक्ट आंसर हेयर? So the correct answer is option D. That is the ratio of existing property to the critical property of the substance. यानी कि reduced property क्या हुई कि जो हमारे पास जो existing property है उसको divide करेंगे with the critical property. Now next question is, question number 6 is, in a mixture of the ideal gases of the volume V and the temperature T, what is the pressure exerted by each individual gas if it occupies the total volume V alone at temperature T called? Option A, individual pressure. Option B, divided pressure. Option C, the partial pressure. And option D is the total pressure. Which is the correct option here? So guys, the correct option is C. That is the partial pressure. Next is question number 7. Dalton's law of partial pressure states that option A, the total pressure of a mixture of the ideal gases is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of the individual gases divided by the number of the gases mixed. Option B है the total pressure of a mixture of the ideal gases is equal to the partial pressure of any individual gas in the mixture. Option C है the total pressure of a mixture of the ideal gas is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of the individual gas, and the option D is none of the above. Which is the correct option here? What was the Dalton's law? The correct option is C. That is the total pressure of a mixture of the ideal gas is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of the individual gases. Next question is question number 8 is, what is the partial volume of a gas in a mixture? Option A है volume occupied by a single gas alone of a mixture at the same temperature and pressure of the mixture. Option B है total volume of the mixture at a certain pressure and the temperature divided number of the gases mixed in the mixture. Option C is both A and B, and the option D is none of above. Which is the correct option here? The correct option is A, that is the volume occupied by a single gas alone of a mixture at the same temperature and pressure of the mixture. Now the next question is question number 9. The sum of partial volume of all the gases in the mixture is equal to, क्या है? A, less than the total volume of mixture. B, the total volume of the mixture. C, more than the total volume of the mixture. And D, cannot predict. Which is the correct option? Correct is B, that is the total volume of the mixture. The sum of the partial volume of all the gases in a mixture is equal to the total volume of the mixture. Next question is question number 10. Joule Kelvin effect can be carried out by option A, throttling process of the gas. Option B, Joule-Thomson expansion of gas. Option C, A and B, and the option D है none of above. Which is the correct option here? So the correct option is both A and B. A, that is throttling process of the gas, and the B, Joule-Thomson expansion of the gas. ये दोनों इसके आंसर है. So the C option is the correct option here. Okay. Yes, the next question number 11 is, yes, what is the effect on temperature of an ideal gas when it undergoes a Joule-Kelvin expansion? Option A है temperature increases. Option B है temperature decreases. Option C है first temperature increases and then decreases. And option D है no change in temperature. Which is the correct option here? Option D, that is no change in temperature. Next question. Now the question number 12 is, what is the inversion curve in the is enthalpic expansion or the Joule-Kelvin expansion? नीचे पॉइंट्स रखे हैं. ऑप्शन ए, द लोकस ऑफ ऑल पॉइंट्स एट विच द जाउल केल्विन कोफिशिएंट इज नेगेटिव. द लोकस ऑफ ऑल पॉइंट्स एट विच द जाउल केल्विन कोफिशिएंट इज पॉजिटिव. ऑप्शन सी है, द लोकस ऑफ ऑल पॉइंट्स एट विच द जाउल केल्विन कोफिशिएंट इज 0. एंड ऑप्शन डी इज द नन ऑफ अबव. यहाँ पे अबव आएगा, नन ऑफ above, sorry, A, B, none of above. Okay, so which is the correct option here? Option B is the correct option, that the locus of all the points at the Joule Kelvin coefficient is positive. So thank you very much guys. यहाँ तक आई एम गोइंग टू एंड माई वीडियो. अगर आपको इससे कुछ लग रहा है, आपको कोई फ़ायदा हो रहा है, तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, लाइक माई चैनल एंड शेयर माई चैनल. आगे हम और भी बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स के ऊपर डिस्कस करेंगे. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइज. थैंक यू.